The weather has turned very breezy, cool breeze blowing across Doha this afternoon, and it is advisable to all the tourists and all the residents who are staying in Doha not to venture out into the sea beaches because, as according to the meteorology department, people are advised not to go near the beaches because it can turn dangerous because it's a high tide as well as of the strong wind and the sudden tilt in the temperature from morning, but in the afternoon. Right now Doha is shivering.